Austin, how are you?
Good.
I'd like to show you something strange, something with a pack of playing cards. Now, I've got to admit that the faces aren't nearly as important as the backs. When I say the backs, I'm talking about the fact that this isn't a full deck. It's half red, half blue. I pulled this from a couple of different cards. It's like a junk or practice deck that I'm using to show you something that I believe to be extremely cool. If you've ever heard of the concept of oil and water, you know that if you take water, you take some oil and you put them together in a jar, you shake them up and place them down. If you wait enough time, the oil will rise to the top because it's lighter than the water. The same thing is going to be true, and I can illustrate it with these 6 cards. So 3 red, then of course the 3 blue. Watch. A blue card, followed by a red, no cheating. Another blue, followed by another red, followed by the last of the blue, followed by the last of the red. Now, if I leave these cards here for just a few moments, kind of like oil and water, they separate. And again, it's not with the faces. That's not what's important. It's with the backs. Now let's try that again. Let's try it again under test conditions this time. Let's take one of the red, and then I'll take one of the blue cards. I'll do it slowly so you can actually see it's coming directly from the middle, followed by one more of the red, one more of the blue, followed by the last of the red and the last of the blue. I'll even leave them here so you can see that they're still mixed, just like the rest of the cards. Yes? But if you wait for just a couple of seconds, you'll notice that just like oil and water, they separate. Now I'll show you this one more time. One blue, one red, another blue, and another red, another blue, and another red. You can see how they're mixed. And if I don't do anything, you'll see that they really are mixed. If you don't mind, could you just hold your hand out like so? And I'll place all 6 cards into your hand. Yes? And if we wait just enough time, again, the cards separate like oil and water. Stranger still, this deck that's been sitting here the entire time, they too separate like oil and water.